What's going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I'm your host, Terry, and welcome to the channel. By the dip, that is right, guys. And in today's video, I want to say thank you for 20,000 subscribers, guys. We are growing. So what are we going to talk about? We're going to talk about people that have supported the channel. I want to say thank you to everyone that's watching because you are the guys supporting. And I do got a couple special shout outs in this video. And we're going to talk about future plans of the channel. What are we looking to do? So we're looking to keep going on Golden Nugget, man. Of course, that is the main goal. As you can see all the thumbnails down through here on the channel, man. We are growing great, and I'm so thankful for everyone. And got a couple shout outs for people we're going to get into. So let's get into first. I want to say a big shout out to a good buddy of mine by the name of Gil Junko. So thank you, buddy, for your support of the channel. And you can thank Sue for this shout out. That's right. Sue is an amazing person. And I want to say Merry Christmas to you and your family. And I got something special to show all of the Golden Nugget family. That's right. So let's take a look at it.
Do you love it? I love it. It's freaking awesome. I would have to post this to his thingy.
What does the bear say?
Let's go. I'm gonna have to post this and put this on his thing.
Let's go! And Gil, that is just for you, buddy. I just want to say, this is the kind of stuff that makes me feel really special about what I'm doing. Like I said, I'm not trying to be one of these boring YouTubers that talk about stocks. Yes, I know it is the stock market. We need to be a little bit of serious, but there is time where I think we need to let loose, have a little fun, sow some struts, have a sip of the Mad Dog, man. So if you want to follow someone on YouTube that's entertaining, likes to have a great time, and give you great advice, and also put you in plays that'll make you money and keep you awake while you're doing it, you are on the right channel. That's right. So I think we're going to take a little celebratory drink leading into 2021 for a great year. That's right. Let's have a sip. All right, guys. So I do have a couple other pictures I want to put up here of people that have supported the channel. And first, I want to put one up here of my buddy Keith. As you know him, he is a moderator of the channel. So look at Keith real quick. All right, guys. And of course, I got to give a big shout out to my Discord group, EC Traders. The link is down below. My buddy Wancho's in there. My man Travis is in there. I posted pictures of him before, holding up the Jameson while we're having the videos, man. So also got one last shout out to give, which is to good buddies of mine that also got some merchandise, took a picture, and I'm going to put it up here for you guys, Sarah and Clint. All right, guys, and you know, I've had a couple phone calls on the channel. That's right. I've had to call my brother Tillman a few times because, as you know, it is the family holiday season, and sometimes you and your family don't get along. And there's times where we had to call up our relatives and let them know what's going on. So let's take a few peeks back of some of the times I've called my brother Tillman about Golden Nugget and what's going on with this stock. Tillman, it's Terry, man. Tomorrow is the big day. We've been waiting for this. So we got one last day before the big merger vote, man. I'm so excited, brother. It's been a long journey since July. We've been on this together. But can we get one last little pop, man? We did good today, but we need one little pop for tomorrow to help get some money back in those options. And after that, man, the shares are going to go to the moon, brother. And I appreciate all your support. So thank you again. And the LCA Bay family. All right, guys. And if you've been on this journey with me since July about Golden Nugget, we've had a lot of ups and downs. That phone call there was me calling my brother right before the merger vote. And we all kind of know what happened with the merger vote, but let's see what happened like the next day after the merger vote happened. Let's just take a peek at what happened, guys. Tell me, what the heck, man? What are you doing, brother? I had all of the family hyped up today, man. And you had to let the family down. Like, what is the deal, man? Here drinking all day over this mess. So my question is, what are we going to do to fix it? what are we going to do to fix it, man? We got people out here not happy with us right now, including me and your brother, man. You're letting us down. I'm telling you as a brother, you need to do something about this. You need to get your lazy rear out of the office and on the TV. You need to get on with Jim Cramer, get on Mad Money, and don't make me leave Maryland and come down to Texas and tell you what I'm gonna do to you, brother. You better make it right. You better make it right. All right, guys, so we've had some fun calling up my brother Tillman and letting him have it when we needed to. That's right, man. We had some great times. And look at where we're at today, guys. We did videos back on this in July, August, September, when this thing was beaten down to $11, $13, even $15, man. We were down doing videos when this thing was getting demolished. And now today we're sitting at $26. So on a positive note, what is going to be some price points for 2021? What is some realistic price points in 2021 for this stock? If I'm giving my bull thesis on price points for LCA, going to be GNOG, baby. That's right, GNOG. I'm putting this at like $40 to $50. And that is honestly being me conservative. Because as we know, guys, LCA, we're looking to get Michigan. We're looking to get Pennsylvania. We're looking to get Nevada. We're looking to get West Virginia. We're looking to get, I think it's Illinois. Illinois. Trying to remember all these states. I wish they just make it all legal and this stock be worth like $200. That would be pretty amazing. So, pretty good stuff here for LCA, man. We've had a heck of a ride. And for the people that's followed me since July, man, you guys are the true people. I know my buddy Wancho has been following me pretty much back then. As you know, if you ever go back and look at my first video, it was on July 24th of the stock market. I used to run a gaming channel. A little fun fact, I used to have a gaming channel. I used to do a couple video games, but the stock market channel is really what took off since July. So this is where we're at now, guys. And now I want to talk about another stock. It's probably my second favorite stock in the stock market and where I think the price points of where that stock's going to go and where it's going to lead up in the future. And I'm going to have a video coming out on that later tonight. Woo, baby, that is right. We are so hyped today. Probably my second favorite stock, guys. That is right. Genius Brands, baby. We are off to the moon on Genius Brands today. And we're going to get into the article of what made this bad boy take off to the moon. And guys, got to bring it to you. I hope you all bought the dip on the Genius Brands because this thing is heading to the moon. So, baby, hope y'all are ready for this video. Let's go! All right, guys, so there it is. That's right, we're talking about Genius Brands. As you know, I've been a big bull on the Genius Brands for a long time on the channel, guys. And if we go back here and look at the beginning, when was probably the first time I did a video back on Genius Brands? As I'm scrolling through here, as you know, man, this thing, it just has unlimited potential, guys. I see this thing going up, honestly, like probably $3 next year, honestly, in my opinion, probably $3. Right here was my first video on Genius Brands. Right here it is, Genius Stock. Right here, I did it.
Steve and Dave use
July 27th was my very first ever Genius Brands video. So I've been talking about Genius Brands since July. I started the channel on July 24th. And we were talking about Genius Brands just a couple days later, that's right. So as you know, a lot of people got burnt on Genius Brands, but not your boy, because I've been buying in since this has already dipped down into the lows. So guys, I'm telling you right now, as a suggestion, if you do not have Genius Brands in your portfolio, this is going to be my Christmas gift to you right now. Highly consider picking up some shares at $1.57. At that video where you saw me hyped up, doing the Chris Jericho coming in, guys, that stock was almost at $2 and everyone was upset they missed the boat. Everybody missed the boat when that thing was $2. It did sell off, but I'm going to put out a video later tonight that we got a little bit of piece in the puzzle together, possibly, of why Genius Brands is going to take off, guys. It's going to take off. It's just a matter of when. And I'm telling you that right now. It's just a matter of when. As you know, I went in and bought more shares. I have 700 shares at an average cost of $1.72. So make sure you go in, get your shares on this, because you want to be ready for when this takes off. And if this news can happen that we're going to talk about later tonight, woo-wee is all I'm going to say. It's going to be to the moon, baby. That's right, to the moon. If it happens, it's just a rumor. It's just a rumor. And we're going to talk about that rumor later tonight. But guys, I just wanted to say big thanks again to everyone that supported the channel, guys. I hope to bring you nice, interesting, fun content along with some great information. I must say, what probably made me really proud was me keeping everyone in LCA as long as they did, man. There was a lot of people selling out back. When this thing dipped, people was buying this in the 15s and 17s back early, and this thing went the whole way down to the 11, 12s, and 13s. And people tell me to this day, Terry, thank you so much that because of your videos and your daily support videos, I never sold. I held my shares, and now I'm sitting at $26 a share. Also, it makes me feel good that the play we called on Tattooed Chef paid off huge, guys. Paid off huge. Now, like I said, I'm no licensed professional or anything. I go on what I think is a right, fit and what is going to make sense. That's what I base it on. Just common sense. I base stuff on common sense. Of course, you can't predict if the market tanks. You can't be a freaking genius, or everyone would know. But just giving my opinion on what I plan on doing in the stock market. And if you guys decide to join me, that is on you. As I say, always do your own due diligence and your research before you put any investment out there. Guys, as you know, we got a Webull account. We're doing a $100 portfolio series first. Link down in the description. Download that link, deposit $100, get up to 4 free stocks. And if for some reason, if someone doesn't have Robinhood, there's a Robinhood link down there too, guys. I just saw a Robinhood commercial on TV today, so that's pretty crazy. Seeing a Robinhood commercial on TV. We're getting there, man. There's going to be a lot of new investors. I saw some videos posing of people saying there's a possible 2021 stock market crash. I hope that's not the case. I'm thinking 2021 is going to be ramping up better than ever. There are so many more new investors, including myself. And as you know, there's tons of YouTubers out there that's all new. And a lot of new people are investing this year, man. Robinhood had crazy growth of people investing on the platform, guys. So I think 2021 is going to be an awesome year of gains. I'm hoping next year through 2021, my goal of the channel is to have 50,000 subscribers. That is my goal. I want 50,000 subscribers by the end of 2021, and I want the portfolio, I want to get up to like 20,000. I want the portfolio to be 20,000. Right now, the portfolio is setting, I think it was a little less than $6,000. Portfolio is at $5,800, guys. So if I can get this portfolio to $20,000, now I'll be adding in some throughout the year. And as you know, I will always show you the 1 year chart because I love being transparent. You know, we are up 103.26%. I put $2,860 of my money into this. And right now it's worth $5,813. So my goal is to put a little bit more in as we get caught up in these plays and make that money go to work. That's right. We want to put our $100 in and make it $200. That's the goal. So guys, hope you all enjoyed today's video. I'll be back later tonight with a Genius Brands video and why I think that stock has a $5 potential price point on it. So guys, I will catch you in the next one. Remember to buy the dip. Until then, baby, 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 let's